What will be the common reasons why a foreigner will be blacklisted, not allowed? To give you a brief context about the situation, the Philippine government upon entry to the Philippines, especially the immigration officers, have the capacity and authority to not allow a foreign individual to come to the Philippines. Why? Upon entry, they might be rude and they will be tagged as undesirable alien or whatever circumstances it may take you when you address situations, when you shout someone here in the Philippines, you become rude on whatsoever, that reason will result you of being excluded or not allowed to enter the country.
The Bureau of Immigration is all set to deport 4 foreign nationals who were recently arrested for disrespecting the Philippine flag in Ternate, Cavite.
How does it affect you? You will become part of the blacklist.
The BI says the 4 foreigners are undergoing preliminary investigation for their deportation process,
which you need to settle, especially when you want to re-enter here in the Philippines. At the end of the day, we have different culture. That should be one of the things that our foreigner friends should always take a look at into, because there are 2 different cultures right now. Your culture coming from your country, and here in the Philippines is also a different culture. It would help a lot when you visited any country in the whole world. The same principle will be applicable. A mere respect to each and individual will give you respect as well. This will be a good reminder to all of our foreign friends, especially if they're coming here on a visitor's visa, or if they have a permanent visa. It does not mean that you have already an absolute right, because that particular visa is a privilege being given to you by the Philippine government and can be revoked anytime. Respect begets respect. Be patient, understand it. If you choose to live in the Philippines might be the most reasonable and one of your best choices that you can actually explore. Why? The reasons why you are here. We hope that you will not be in a situation, and I would be very happy to see the blend of cultures in the Philippines, foreign and our Filipino culture.